to subscribe!
Happy train trip! We're late!
Where are Pororo and Krong running to so early in the morning?
Pororo and Krong must have overslept again.
Really? Oh, there they are! Hello!
But wait, Eddie's not here yet? Everyone! Hello! Wow! Eddie, what is that?
It's a train. Let's go on a trip by train today. Everyone, get in. Everyone is here, right? We'll take off now.
It's moving!
Pororo and his friends went on a trip by train.
Wow, there's a whale!
Oh, wow!
Wow, that's amazing! Hi, whale! Oh, it's moving slowly now.
It's because we're going up a mountain.
Oh.
We came all the way up, and now we'll go down. Oh! We're sliding down!
Eddie, slow the train down!
All right.
Eddie, this bridge might fall apart.
Eddie, hurry up!
The bridge fell down.
We have to cross it to go home.
What should we do now?
All I have is a rope.
A rope? Oh. Right. Kobe, come with me.
Oh, why here?
Can you help me?
Oh,
I am ready.
1, 2, 3!
Oh. I crossed it!
Kobe, cross the bridge!
Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh. Thank you.
What a relief, Kobe. We don't have a train anymore. How do we go back home?
To get back home, our friends walked and walked.
Whoa! It's Porong Village finally!
That was a really tough trip.
Yeah. But we had a great time together.
Really? Then I will build us another cool train and we'll travel again.
What? I'd better go home now.
Huh?
Me too.
Oh, They all left me. Ha ha ha.